Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I am trying out Colourpop concealers. They literally just came in the mail, so we're about to just open it up. So before I start, I want to say I have a bump on my face. I'm sure you can see that, but I don't know where it came from. My skin is just like breaking out. I don't know if I'm using something different, but can't have that, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. And also I'm using a different camera, like the set, the light, everything's like different, so my skin, you should be able to see my skin perfectly fine, clear, no what do you call it, no filter, smoothing, nothing. This is me. I love it when you call me Big Poppy. XOXO Colourpop. I ordered 4 concealers and 2 makeup brushes because the concealers each are $6 and you need $30 for free shipping. And I was like, well, might as well just, you know. But neither of them are concealer brushes, so I'm gonna just put them to the side. This is my first time ordering from Colourpop. I ordered on the 29th of March and today is 5th of April. I think they sent me an email saying it was shipped on Monday and today's Thursday, so it came today. So it's not terrible, but it was a little bit of a while before I got shipping confirmation, but who cares? It's here now. These are not new concealers. They are not new. The shades are just new. I think before they had maybe 12 to 15. I'm not 100% sure, but I will correct myself if I'm wrong. And now they have 30. So if you go on their Instagram, which is where I went to find out about it, you can see if you want like one of their previous colors, if they changed the name. They have this whole picture thing where they like tell you if they changed the name or not, but I never knew any of the old name stuff. And just a tip, when you're ordering something online, concealer, foundation, it helps to know your undertone. So if you can at least go into Ulta or Sephora and find out your undertone, finding concealers and foundations online won't be as hard for you. But I actually went and looked at some YouTubers who I feel are around my color and tried to do what they did. These are all the concealers in their tubes. Colourpop no filter concealers are cruelty free. They have 5.0 grams, so almost an ounce of product, and they don't say shelf life anywhere on here. Nope. I'm gonna swatch from the darkest to the lightest. Deep dark 56, tan 50, dark 42, medium dark 38. If I had to choose one to highlight with, it would be the medium dark 38, which is the lightest one right here. And for my actual face, I think I'm gonna use medium dark. I'm gonna use medium dark, which is this one. This is 42 and this is 50. Wait, before I do that, I'm gonna spray this Milani Make It Last setting spray. It says that it primes, corrects, and sets, and I just like it. I like the way it smells. It makes me feel really fresh, and it makes whatever I put on my skin blend out flawlessly. So I'm gonna start with one side first, and I'm gonna keep this close to my brows because, as you can see, my forehead is much darker than the rest of my face. And let me just point out, I don't know if you notice it, but I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna put it on my chin and it appears light and it oxidizes. You see that? Like, it's very subtle, but I definitely see it. Now I'm gonna blend it out with this It Cosmetics brush. Alright, so by the way, I did already have my eyes primed and set with LA Girl Concealer, Laura Mercier Powder. This will be really good to find out if it does anything for my bump. Well, this bump I had right here was really red. Not red at all. I'm gonna use the lightest one to highlight, which is medium dark 38. And then I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm not blending yet. Alright, so I'm letting it sit a little bit. It's gonna warm up. So when I pat it in, it'll stay where it's at, not moving it all around. This is a wet, a damp beauty blender, not wet. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set it in place. I'm gonna set there first because that would be the first place to crease. So now I'm going to contour with the darkest, which is Deep Dark 56. So I'm just gonna highlight under where I contour to help clean up a little bit because it did get a little everywhere. Every time I do my makeup on camera, it's like very struggly. So now I'm just gonna wipe everything away. So this is how everything looks right now. I'm about to do my eyelashes and just finish up the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna spray my face down again with this Milani. Alright, now I'm gonna highlight while this dries. Now I'm gonna spray my face down with Fix Plus. I would use this again. It's creamy, it blends really good. I think I like the packaging on it. I do think I'm gonna get mine messy quick because that white top is gonna be a problem for me. So these Colourpop these Colourpop concealers are a yes for me. I love the contour color. The highlight color was perfect. The one I didn't use, I still can find a use for, but as of right now, I'm just talking about what I can use. The one for my face, I probably won't put it all over my face again like as a foundation because I mean, I have a big face and I'm gonna go through this really quick if I keep doing that, but I will use it to spot conceal like you seen this red bump on my cheek, and I will use it for cleaning out my brows and on my lids for eyeshadow. It looks really, really good. It's not super bright. I think I did a really good job picking these colors. When in doubt, just choose multiples. So that's what I did, and it ended up working really good for me. I love these concealers. I will use them again. I have no problems with creasing. Right? Yeah, I'm gonna actually zoom into my eyes so you can see. There's no problems creasing. Everything is fine. I hope my eyelids don't look crazy. I think this one did. Well, just ignore that. Just look under here, okay? This is really nice. It's not creasing. When I smile, I do have little lines, but this concealer is amazing. I really enjoyed these Colourpop concealers. I am a first time Colourpop buyer slash wearer. I enjoy these. I would wear these again. This is my Colourpop unboxing review first impression demo. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you do. If you like videos where I actually talk more to the camera, not voiceovers, a little bit longer videos, not my usual 5 and below videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I have so many new subscribers. We are on the way to 500. We are like, just keep subscribing to my channel, help me get to 500. But yeah, thank you for all my new subscribers. If you're watching this right now and you got this far in the video, you might as well subscribe because you obviously like to see me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.